Hey guys, it's Dima from Tech, and today we're checking something that I am not sure even how to pronounce. It's called Llano or Llano or something, and it's sort of a battery charger on the go for your LP-E6 or for I think Sony and Fuji as well. There are models for that. And we're going to check this weird thing. I ordered it actually after a friend showed me. I'm not sure even that I will like this, but let's go on and check this out. Okay, so this is it. This is the device, and as you can see, it has a power button. Obviously, it doesn't have an internal battery, something that I should tell. Let's peel this thing. It doesn't want to be peeled, finally. Okay, and something that I noticed, I can't take this out yet, but I have this cool picture in the bottom of the box. That's cool. Anyways, we have this, and we have here two LP-E6 batteries. One is the LP-E6N-H and one is the LP-E6N regular. Let's go ahead and try to pop them in. So just like that and just like that, and we can already see something. I'll try to show this to the camera. I'm not fully sure that we can somehow show this. Yeah. As you can see, 0, 5 and 100. Yeah, so it should show us the battery charge. And if we press, I think it will show us again. Now, from what I've seen, it doesn't seem to be very accurate, but it is better than nothing, that's for sure. Let's grab a USB-C cable, and actually this USB-C will do it like this. You'll see here how much it gives us. I am not fully sure what we'll get, if we'll get at all. Yeah, I can tell that this is now 12 watts. I'm trying to somehow focus on that, but honestly, there is no way that I'm going to focus on that, and that's it is what it is. Anyways, now it is charging, and as you can see, this one is 100, and oh my god, this gets dirty or something, but okay. And this one already on 0.8. I'm not fully sure if it will actually show the whole 100, but the screen looks cool and useful. And yeah, it charges actually pretty fast, it seems, according at least to the 12 watts, because when I actually charge those batteries from my camera, I get up to 6 watts, something like that. So yeah, it's already faster and better for me. And you can pretty much grab a battery, sorry for that. As you can see now, it shows 0.9 and 0.9 and nothing here. So yeah, that works. Now again, it is not a battery by itself. Yeah, if I unplug it, that's it. I mean, I can still check with this the battery charge, but just to know what kind of batteries you have, and it's not very accurate, but technically if I insert that one, we should see, yeah, you see 100. So yeah, it's not the best, but it is quite cool. It has a lanyard, though I think it will be too heavy if you walk with this. I mean, it's not something heavy, but when you have two batteries, it's something to consider. We have a slot for SD card here. It looks like it might actually be an SD card reader as well. I can't care less about this, honestly. It's just for charging for me, and that's it. But that's quite cool to have. The design feels like it is plastic, but rubbery plastic. Feels really nice in the hand. I would say it's a little bit bulky, but it's good enough so you can put it in a bag when you're traveling, and you have 2 batteries inside and you can check their charge and charge them on the go pretty much with a power bank or something. No problems with that. Quite an awesome thing, but again, it depends if you actually agree to such a bulk or not. Let me bring the scales and check how much it weighs. Okay, so we have a scales here. Let's put it without the batteries. 173 grams. So yeah, it is adding a bulk, but again, it's a charger after all, and if you want to charge multiple batteries on the go, why the hell not? Thank you for watching this Linus Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.